Why would someone try to escape before the chase even begins? In this case, there's no high-speed pursuit, no sirens racing down the highway, no pit maneuver waiting down the road. Instead, everything unfolds in a parking lot. From the moment troopers confirm the vehicle is stolen, the suspect's reaction isn't calculated, it's immediate panic. And that panic triggers a decision that ends the situation before it can go anywhere. As you watch this encounter unfold, think about this. When fear takes over instantly, how much control does a suspect really have left? The vehicle is confirmed stolen. The driver, Paris Cortez, has multiple outstanding warrants, probation violations, prior theft, a history that guarantees the stop 110 quietly. For suspects in this position, the realization comes fast. This isn't a warning. This isn't a citation. This is custody. And when that realization hits, the instinct isn't to think ahead, it's to escape now. That's why there's no attempt to negotiate, no hesitation. And the driver doesn't wait to see where officers are positioned. She rams the patrol vehicle, not to break free cleanly, but to create any opening at all. After the collision, the situation freezes, but the chaos doesn't stop. Commands are issued clearly and repeatedly. Get out of the car and get on the ground. Inside the vehicle, the suspects Dante can play immediately. They reach around, and they speak over each other. The driver appears confused but still searching for a way out. These moments are critical. And from an officer's perspective, reaching inside a vehicle, especially after intentionally ramming a patrol car, creates immediate risk. Officers don't know if the suspects are armed. They only know behavior. What stands out here is restraint. And despite the confusion, despite the failure to comply, troopers maintain distance, keep commands consistent, and avoid escalating force prematurely. This isn't a hesitation. It's control. And the moment that decides everything happened earlier. Not when the suspects finally step out. Not when officers move in. It happened the second the driver chose to ram the trooper's vehicle. That single act removed all remaining options. And once that line is crossed, this is no longer a misunderstanding or a stalled arrest, it's an assault with a vehicle. The outcome is sealed even if no pursuit ever occurs. And eventually, both suspects exit the vehicle and are taken into custody without taser deployment or significant force. No weapons are found, no drugs recovered, but the damage is already done. This encounter highlights an important truth often missed in police videos. Running doesn't always mean driving away at speed. Sometimes it's a split-second decision made before the wheels even turn. In this case, panic arrived first, action followed, and the situation ended before it could escalate into something far more dangerous. From law enforcement's perspective, control, not speed, was the deciding factor. And clear commands, distance, and restraint prevented a chaotic moment from turning into a violent one. In criminal growth, if this breakdown gave you insight into why suspects run and how some chases fail before they even begin, thank you for watching. For more real-world bodycam footage explained through behavior, decisions, and critical moments, consider subscribing and checking out the next video. More breakdowns are coming up next.